In this tutorial, I will show you how to select the keyframe setting where you can prioritize accuracy over speed or speed over accuracy. This is one of the changes done during the last firmware update of the Skydio 2 and the Skydio 2 Plus. Since I only have the Skydio 2, my tutorial is based only on the Skydio 2. Okay, so first launch your Skydio 2 as you would normally do. From the Cinematic tab, choose Keyframe. Immediately you will see that you are in keyframe mode, and from here you start adding keyframes. After you are done with the last keyframes, click on the keyframe settings, which are the three vertical lines above the keyframe icon. You will end up with different choices, and one of them is prioritize. Click on prioritize and you will be able to choose between accuracy and speed. I hope you like this tutorial, and thank you for watching.